Okay guys, today I'm gonna review a Mantistal 13-inch laminate floor cutter. Recently purchased it for starting floors. Move this camera back a little bit. I went with this one because it was in the price range I was looking for, and it's 13 inch. It's a big one. So let's open. It can do, as you can see here, it can do 0 to 45 degrees angle cut, and it can cut up to 12 mil on this. So let's see. Let's pour it out and see what we have here. So here it looks like it's the bar, at the top of the bar, and you have your handle, and then you have, let's see, this is the knife cutter. Look at this thing. You got the blade, the knife cutter, nice. Look at that. It came with some laminate and wood floor insulation kit. Looks like a block, a puller, and a couple more spacer that came with it. Here you got the bolts. And you see the boards, it's got little templates for your angles. So it looks like you install like this. And here it came with here is the stone to sharpen your blade. It came with, and these thick, looks like quarter inch bolts to bolt them in place. So this thing here, this cutter, it can cut laminate floor, multi-floor, bamboo flooring. They can even do solid wood, deck floorboards. It can cut up to 16 millimeter thickness, 5/8 inch thick. As you can see, it's very well built. Look at the spring on it. The blade, of course, these are worn. You can replace them. Go zoom on the side here. I'll go on the side for you to see how thick that is on the side. And the handle. Actually, this is the bar and the handle here that goes on top. The board is it's plastic, but has some, as you can see, it has some template angles on it. So here you can see that it's highly quality steel. It's made out of aluminum construction, 4 millimeter thick tungsten steel sharp blade. Includes a 600 grit home stone to keep sharp. So it came with a stone so you can sharpen the blade. It's got a 37 inch handle, so you don't have to use so much force. It's got great leverage on the handle. 37 inch. It can cut up to 16 millimeter thick, 5/8 inch thick. You can see how well built it is. Again, it's aluminum steel construction. Look at the spring on it. And the reason I went with 13 inch and not anything smaller, because it's you're able to cut a little bit wider, and I recommend getting a 13 inch instead. I know they sell in the smaller version like 10 inch. I went with this one because the construction of it. If you're a floor cutter, I recommend it. Save you a lot of time having to go in and out using a saw. You just cut right there, it's clean, and it doesn't leave any debris, and faster cleanup.